A desolate feeling of pure rejection, distress and anxiety washed over me like a tsunami, obliterating everything in its path. In my case, obliterating all feelings of hope or happiness that I had left.
Worried, anxious, heartbroken. Would we ever return home?
Shaken to the core, I was absorbed into a melancholy vortex, losing the only people I had ever known.
Pounding as a sensation of pure rejection enveloped me.
Some children were flooding with tears. Others, like myself, were trying their utmost to stay joyful.
Worried, heartbroken, anxious. Would we ever return home?